What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into something wild, the Nokia transparent smartphone. Yeah, you heard that right. A phone you can literally see through. Nokia, once the king of mobiles, is back with this futuristic beast. This phone's got a transparent display that lets light pass through, so it looks like it's invisible, but still shows videos, pics, and even some crazy AR stuff. It's like magic but techier. Design-wise, sleek, minimal, and feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Built tough but light, with cameras, speakers, all the essentials. Seamlessly hidden, so nothing ruins the see-through vibe. Under the hood, it's rocking a next-gen OS made just for this see-through tech. Smooth, user-friendly, and customizable, plus a big battery with fast and wireless charging, so no worries about juice. Functionality? Oh, it's next level. Gaming, entertainment, communication, all amped up by AR tech for that immersive experience you didn't know you needed. To wrap it up, Nokia's transparent phone isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into the future of smartphones. If you're into tech that's fresh, unique, and just downright cool, this one's for you. Thanks for hanging out. Smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing tech vids. Stay awesome. Peace out.